Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to shout out all my coworkers who keep impersonating me saying, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. They say that I say it like that, but I don't say it like that, okay? So anyway, I'm here today with an unboxing of my Sephora Playbox. But first, you need to subscribe to my channel. I don't understand why you're not subscribed to my channel. Let's just get that out the way, okay? So, what you need to do is, see, down here, or here, you can press the button that says subscribe. Thanks. So, yeah, we need to talk about this. Okay, this is the Sephora Play box that I got. Today is the 25th of January. And I'm unsure as to why it's arriving today. A lot of people... Really? Did I hit the camera? Oh, Lord. Let's see. I need a new tripod. Got the curls going today. A lot of people already got their Sephora Playbox, so I'm trying to understand why mine is coming like 5 days before the month is over. But anyway, so this is the theme. You get the extra Sephora Play Pass. If anyone doesn't know, the Sephora Play Box is $10 a month, so it's the Sephora Beauty Box, basically. And the theme is Happy You Year 2018. Yay! So it's like, yay! Happy You Year. So this is it's a decent bag. I mean, it's not terrible. It's, some of the bags, like the pink one they gave us was like, had fraying going everywhere, so that was annoying. But yeah. So, this bag's not that bad. So, this is what I got, all what I got in here. And I wore the stripes because I was like, ooh, I need to match my Sephora box. Yes! I'm on one tonight, guys, by the way. Yeah, I just worked all day and I'm just like, I'm on one. So first I'm going to do the lipstick because I have nothing on my lips and I feel nude. So, so yeah. So I'm going to do the lipstick, first. So, really? So, so this is the NARS, what is it called? NARS lipstick. Oh, it's just called lipstick. You will not believe what the name of this is. I'm going to see if you can see it on here. Oh, damn it, it's out of focus. Ugh. I'm trying to show you guys the names. This is NARS. I've actually never tried any NARS products before. So I'm like so hyped to try it. I wonder if it'll focus and you can see. This is what it's called. Orgasm. I was like, bruh. Now, I've never used any NARS, products before whatsoever, so I was like, wow, really nice, really nice. So this is the lipstick here, and if you couldn't read it, it was called Orgasm. So this is it here, and we'll do a swatchy swatch. So it's nice and nude. Damn, this is more like a lip balm. The heck? Seriously? I was so hype because of the name. And this is like a freaking lip balm. I mean, it does have gold reflex in it, so. Alright, let's go ahead and put it on. You know, I have to do a try on in all my videos. Well, almost all my videos. So it's like a pinky nude, rosy nude with golden glitters in it. And let's see what it looks like on. I mean, really. It's nice. It's very, like, neutral, everyday kind of wear. It's nothing, like, you kind of have to build it up a little bit. It's nothing, like, to write home about. I think the name is more shocking than the color. But, I mean, it's alright. It's alright to just, you know, keep the momentum going in the video. I'll keep it on. Okay, so that's the NARS lipstick in the color Orgasm. So the next thing I got, I was really hyped to get this. This is the Smashbox Primerizer, Smashbox Photo Finish, because I love the Smashbox Primer Water. It's my holy grail. Smashbox Foundation Primer, the Photo Finish, holy grail. And I have dry skin, so apparently this is a primer mixed with the moisturizer. But it's so small. I'm so upset. A lot of their stuff is small though, but this is like really tiny. So, yeah, so I'm going to try it out and see how I like it. I already probably pretty much know I'm going to like it because it's a primer plus a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid in it. So yeah. So I'm going to try this out under my foundation and see how, you know, it works. See how it works out. So this is called the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. So this is another small one. I believe this helps with dark circles under the eyes. It's like an under eye moisturizer. So yeah. So that's good. I mean, I prefer more makeup items. If you are a follower, you would know this. I like hate skincare. I'm like, I don't hate it, but I'm just like, I want more makeup. Like, so yeah. So I got the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So yeah, so I guess it foams up. I think I have another one by them. I have a lot of full-size stuff from Glam Glow. But yeah, so this is the cream to foam cleanser, so it foams up when you wet it and start to kind of like work it in. So, then I got this L'Occitane in Provence Almond Concentrate de lait Milk Concentrate, which is basically a fancy word for lotion. Okay, this ain't nothing but some lotion. Okay, some concentrate de lait milk concentrate. It's lotion. Okay, it's lotion. Next, this is the last thing we got. We got the Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. I had to call Sephora about this before. They gave me the wrong samples. They gave me some type of hair stuff. And it's like, I was like, I called them and I was like, I'm black. So I have black people hair. So whatever this is that you sent me, I couldn't use. So they were like, oh, I'm so sorry. And they gave me 250 points. But I'm like, really? First off, this isn't even enough, okay? 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. What is this? Let's read this. 10-in-1 benefits for complete moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat, and light hold. Directions. Apply to clean towel dried hair and do desired style. May also be used on dry hair. Let's go to the packet here. Okay, this is how to use. Use as a finishing step for your style strands. Hair beyond compare. So I guess it's like a pink lotion maybe? I don't know. They killed me. Like the dry shampoo last month. Really? Come on now. Really? Why y'all playing? Dry shampoo on moi? Really? Anyway, alright, so this is what I got in my Sephora Play box. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that impressed. I mean, I think the NARS was a cool touch. It's a pretty decent size sample. I was a lot more hype about my other Sephora Play boxes that I received. So yeah, for 2018, I'm like, I don't know, this wasn't all that. You know, I really was more happy with the 2017 boxes. I mean, you can see when I do my unboxings of Sephora, I'm like so hype. I'm like, oh my god, I got this. Oh my god, I got that. Oh, I get to try this. Oh, I get to try that. This month was just like, meh. It was like, meh. And it was late, okay? And it was late. I mean, it's the 25th. Probably I'll post this in the morning, so it'll be the 26th by the time I post it. And I'm just like, why am I just now getting my Sephora Play box? Oh, well, we send them out by the 3rd week of the month. And I'm like, now what kind of sense does that make? But anyway, I digress. So this is what I got in my Sephora play box this month. You could tell I'm kind of on one tonight. Yeah, I need to take it down like 3 notches. Take it down 3 notches, Chanelle. Calmate, calmate. So I'm gonna calm myself down and get ready for bed, take my makeup off and everything. But yeah, leave a comment down below with what you got in your Sephora play box, and make sure you subscribe and check out my next video. Bye.